Alrighty, everybody. We are going to start the last phase before the painting, and that's the making of the buckets. And I just making three of them: a heavy-duty bucket, a cleaner bucket, and a ripper. So it's a pretty easy build, just pretty much consisting of some M3 threaded rods and some M3 lock nuts. So other than that, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, I'm gonna have to go with a plan B here, since these are not big enough. What we're gonna do is actually just send some. Let's see if some M4s. See if some M4s are. I'm gonna hone that out a little bit, and I think we got a point. So let's get some out. Get some M4 by 25. Yeah, you know what? I think that'll be better. I'll put two M4 by 25 self tappers in, because that'll have the that'll have the gripping power that it needs to really grip it in here. And then I'm gonna actually, plastic weld all of this together anyway. So this rod going all the way down the center probably really isn't even needed, when these are going to be going a good portion of the way in anyway. So yeah. So tell you what, let me get. All right, that's pretty much a finished bucket. What I'll do is, just chop these off, and then I'll go in and I will solder, plastic weld all the corners together, and make it one solid piece here. So we'll set this off to the side, and we'll get the next one started. Now we're going to need an M5 for this one. An M5 threaded rod. And where are the... Okay. Alrighty, then once I plastic weld all this together, that'll make all this solid and everything. So yeah, we'll do that, and I'll cut that off. So we'll set that off to the side, and now let's get these together. What is this gonna take, huh? Okay. We used an M26 with an M312 and an M3 rod with block nuts and just a regular nut. Because what I'll do with this one is I'll just take some plastic weld and just weld this hole up here. And you won't even see it. Seal that in. And then do that. So, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Then, like I said, I'll clean these up and what have you. Get my tools out of the way. Alright, so that is it. Got our three buckets here. Zipper. Alrighty. Well, yeah, I'll clean these up and be right back.